A warm welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, all those who are. It's my honor and privilege that I am able to showcase my collection to you on main IBA platform. I am Namrata and my brand is, I'm the founder of Sanyog by Namrata. Just a few seconds for the few more people to join in so that they don't miss the collection and I don't start in a hurry. Would request you to just hold on with me for a few more seconds. Hi Minti Verma ji, thank you so much for joining. I hope I'm clearly audible, I'm clearly visible. Please let me know if I am. And please do like, share my video so that we can reach out to all the people, all the good people like you. And as far as we go, we can bring the collection live to you. I'm not able to see the comments. I hope I am visible and clearly audible. So dear all, I think we do have people to start the show. As I said, I'm Namrata. My brand is Sanyog by Namrata. I'm the founder of Sanyog by Namrata. And today it's my pleasure and privilege to showcase my pure organic linen collection to you. Made with all the love. Savita Gaikwad ji, thank you so much for mentioning that. Ankit Sharma ji, thank you ladies and gentlemen to join the show. So thank you very much. We'll start with the collection and in between if you have questions, I'll be very happy to answer. Please give me all the love and likes because as I said, आप जितना प्यार देंगे उतना ही हम आगे बढ़ के आपके लिए चीजें ला पाएंगे. Thank you, Savita ji. So we'll start with the first piece of the day. This is pure organic linen, and a small thing about trivia about linen is that linen is derived out of a plant called flax. It's yarned into 20-meter long yarns, the way हम ऊन के गोले बनाते हैं, and then it's put into a fabric, into a textile, from where you get linen as your curtains, linen as your clothes, linen as something you use, your pants and your shirts and everything comes out of that. And these pieces are absolutely original, which is my guarantee, and they have some mesmerizing work on them. So let's start. This is my first piece for today. A green color, a dark green color, rama green color piece. If you can see the booties, they are made in soft pink and golden color here. And let me take you to the highlight of this piece, which is this zari bordered, totally hand embroidered dupatta. It comes with pink finished, little bit of gray and brown colored resham dhaga work in it, and I'll show you how the piece looks when you look it. I'm trying to give you a broader look. So this is the way the piece looks. I would like to show you the embroidery, hand done. It takes weeks to make a dupatta like that. And just see the zari finishing done on the border. And this is the way the embroidery is. Hope you are able to see the color. I'm going to keep describing it to you so that you exactly know what it is. A few things, COD is not available. What's available is payment through Paytm, GPay, bank transfers, and you can do that by one sending me the screenshot of the product you like and me confirming it to you that it's available and just making the payment. I dispatch particularly the same day. So even if you're in Hooghly or Pondicherry or Coimbatore, 3 to 4 maximum days, I use good courier services. So this is the way it looks, and this is for 3,995. I would like you to appreciate this is pure organic linen, shirt, dupatta. The pant that comes with it is pure Banarsi cotton pant. The reason to do that is that it goes well with linen. And this is the way it looks. So we'll move on to a second piece. Thank you. So let me show you something that comes exactly opposite of green in the color domain. It's a maroon color piece, comes with silver booties. As you can see, it's Resham Dhaga booties all along. Sangeeta Jaiswal ji, hello. Thank you so much for joining, Masi. Uttam Trading, thank you for joining. I can't figure out your name. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for saying it's beautiful. This is the way the shirt is going to be. And what I have with this is a very beautiful pure linen digital dupatta. This is the look of the suit. This is pure linen, 12 months wearability. And once you receive the piece, will you know what kind of linen this is? This is not processed linen. आपको लाइनिंग सिर्फ शर्ट में लगवाने की जरूरत है, पैंट्स में बिल्कुल लाइनिंग लगवाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So be good there. Neha Tadwal ji, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Uttam Singh ji, for saying it's Uttam Trading for saying it's attractive. So these are the pants with it that go very beautifully with the suit. I hope I'm being able to give you the broader look. I'll come closer on the shirt once again to tell you that it has zari weaves on both the sides. You can use them in your panels. You can use them just at the border, arms, anywhere. This is the way we've given that to you. This is for 3,795. So we'll move on to the next piece. I hope you're taking the screenshots and sending it to me on my number, which is 9811725543. And I have to... Okay, if anybody can put my number, because from here it's not being possible. It's 9811725543, just for your reference so that you don't miss out on it. My third piece. It's a beautiful, beautiful grey color. See closely. I think this closely. It has yellow, zigzag, maroon, green, and this is the thread embroidery, Resham Dhaga embroidery done on the entire piece. Done on the entire piece. It comes with a digitally printed dupatta. See the clarity of the dupatta from close and from far away too. आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. This is the look of the suit. Looks very pretty when you've made it. Pure fabric Banarsi bottom, which goes very well with linen, because that's what you need with a suit like this. And this is, as I said, totally handmade and hand spun. The embroidery on the shirt is done by hand. Suman Rakesh ji, nice. Thank you so much, Gurjinder ji. Thank you for joining. It is making my day. Suman Rakesh ji, thank you. Thank you so much. This piece is for 3,795. We'll move on to the next piece because I have a lot to show you. Okay. Now, this is a lemon color piece which comes with a light blue embroidery and slight birds made in it. See closely. And It has a very beautiful digitally printed dupatta with it. Which is totally hand embroidered. ये देखिए पूरा हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड है और दुपट्टे की लुक पे आप देखिए साइड पे हमने हमेशा जरी की फिनिशिंग दी होती है ताकि योर पीसेस लुक एक्सक्विजिट and you can wear them for a party, for a brunch, wherever you're going with your friends. A brunch, maybe a late office evening party. Why not? Who stops us from wearing a suit? They look beautiful. So this is pure linen. You can, it really depends on how you get them stitched. Pants, palazzos, salwars, whatever you want, bottle shaped pants. How you get them stitched is important. Shabana Javed ji, thank you so very much. Kajal Sujit, hi. So I hope you're liking this. This is a totally hand embroidered dupatta and shirt. This is for 3895. This is the zari work which has been done on the entire shirt, and it's a beautiful piece. I'll show you, give you a broader look. If you've liked it, please take the screenshot and send it to me at my number, which is pinned below, and here also 9811 725543. Thank you, Pooja. So I've told you the price of this, and this is the broader look of the piece. They look really amazing in winters, in summers, because you're going to put a lining in the shirt. सर्दी में obviously चलेगा और गर्मी में दौड़ेगा. I'm going to show you something which is dark pink color, not really maroon. A little diving towards maroon, but it's dark pink, and it comes with a very beautiful contrast dupatta. See here, fully zari weaved. ये सारा काम हाथ का है गाइज. ये आप अगर ये देखेंगे लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ये रेशम का जो धागा है ये सारा हाथ से काम हुआ हुआ है. अगर हाथ से नहीं होता तो इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम नहीं बोलते, बिकॉज मशीनिंग का काम भी बहुत अच्छा है, पर जो हाथ से है उसका मेंशन करना जरूरी है. Thank you, Masi, for joining in. Thank you, Nisha Yadav, for joining in. Thank you, Ji. So, this is the shirt, and this is the contrast yellow dupatta that comes with it, and the same color pant of the shirt. This is for 3795, and trust me, it looks so beautiful when you get it stitched nicely and want to take it out the way you want to. I mean, go wherever wearing these and you'd look only beautiful. So this is my third piece. I'll move on to the next one. So this is my light brown piece. It comes with pink, red, and these stems that you see are made of green color. Resham dhaga work, totally hand work done. Zaris on the side, zari panels. You can use them in arms. You can use them, as I told you, on the just at the border or at the slits. You can use them anywhere. It again comes with a digitally printed border, digitally printed dupatta, and I would draw your attention towards the edges of the dupatta. Just see how beautifully we've put the colors so that they complement the entire suit and give it the closure that the suit needs because of the color it has. So ये थोड़ा पास से मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. And look at the way my suits, all the suits will have tassels, and they're all 2.5 meter shirts, 2.5 meter bottoms, 2.5 meter dupattas. See, this is the way, and this is a beautiful color to carry. Shabana Javeed ji, COD nahi hai ma'am. बट आप मुझे पेटीएम बैंक ट्रांसफर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा. अगर आप आसपास हैं तो मैं सीओडी करा दूंगी. वैसे वो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है. So this is the way it is. Just see how beautiful the piece is looking. It's pure organic linen. Not a thread of synthetic or anything else used to put this beautiful piece together for you. The pants are of same color which go with beautifully with this piece. Now I'm going to show you a piece which is a pink color pure linen piece which is, एंड अगर आप इसको पास से देखेंगे तो देखिए ये सारा चिकनकारी का काम है जो हमने इसके ऊपर कराया है. पारुल चौहान जी, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. जस्ट सी, दिस इज सटल चिकनकारी डन ऑल ओवर द पीस. इफ यू कैन सी इट, फुल रेशम धागा वर्क. और आप जानते हैं कि अगर आप मल कॉटन में लेते हैं तो आपको कितने में अवेलेबल हो जाता है, और अगर आप विस्कोस में लेते हैं तो कितने में हो जाता है. ये प्योर लिनन पे है. इट कम्स विद डिजिटली प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा. लुक एट द टैसल्स एंड लुक एट द ब्रॉडर लुक. गिव मी द पैंट्स दे दो. कम्स विद द सेम कलर पैंट. दिस इज फॉर 3895. It's pure. You'll go out in the market. Believe me, one, this collection will be difficult to find. One. Second, it's overpriced. So I here because the middleman is not there, and we are creating, designing everything in front of our eyes, which and right now doing things out of our own paces and our own places. So we are able to give you very reasonable rates. This is pure organic. And profits right now is not the criteria. This reaching to as many people is what we want. जितने लोगों तक ये पहुंच पाए हमारे पीस, यही हम चाहते हैं अभी. ये इसकी लुक है. दोनों तरफ से मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देती हूँ. These are the tassels, अगर आप देख पा रहे हैं. और ये एक बार शर्ट भी आपको पास से दोबारा दिखा देते हैं. ये देखिए. This is a very beautiful piece, not to be missed piece. Another color of that, of what I showed you, in chikankari on pure linen fabric, is this beautiful turquoise color. Okay. एंड इसके साथ ये हमने डिजिटली प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा. देखिए क्लैरिटी, देखिए आप दुपट्टे की. एंड जस्ट सी दुपट्टा फ्रॉम द क्लोज सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड लिनन की बात अलग होती है व्हेन यू टेक इट. सी, प्रियंका अग्रवाल जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. Please let me know how you're liking it. Do comment, like and share my videos because that means a lot. We can only bring new and better things for you once we reach out to as many people as possible और हमारी चीजें लोगों तक पहुंचे. So ये देखिए एजेस पर ऐसा काम है. ये इसका ब्रॉड लुक है. इसके साथ सेम कलर्ड पैंट्स हैं, प्योर बनारसी फैब्रिक. एंड दिस इज एन एब्सोल्यूट ब्यूटी एंड अ डिफरेंट कलर. Thank you for saying that, Anina ji, that my stuff quality is wow. Thank you. All those who bought pieces from me, they can please mention how they have liked my quality of my Banarsi suits and my linen suits in the past. It'll help others who are viewing the show to, kind of understand what I mean when I say it's pure fabric and it's really, really exclusive and premium. This is the way the embroidery is done on the entire piece. If I've not told you the price for this is 3895. Now I'm going to show you one of my signature white pieces. It has zari. In the end, if you see, again use it wherever you like. It has a very beautiful, very beautiful दुपट्टा. जो आपको पसंद आए वो ब्यूटीफुल होता है, but just look at this piece. Look at this piece from close by. These are all pink, green, grey combination flowers. Totally handmade. मैं आपको पीछे से दिखाऊंगी, जो धागे निकल रहे हैं इनसे पता चलता है कि हाथ का काम है कि नहीं. And honestly, I'm telling you, it takes weeks in making one dupatta. So that we can bring this kind of collection to you, which you think might not be available outside. And we can do that for you on this virtual ground. That's what the intention is. Can I have the pants? Pants. So this is the pure Banarsi pants that comes with it. It is, जो हमने जरी दे रखी है इसके साथ कॉन्ट्रास्ट करेगी और बहुत सुंदर लगेगा पूरा सूट बनकर. ये देखिए, ये इसकी ब्रॉड लुक है और ये टैसल्स हैं. जरी से हमने फाइनली दुपट्टा फिनिश करा हुआ है साइड्स पे, अगर आप देखें. प्लीज लाइक और कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर करिए मेरा वीडियो. सो दिस इज द वे इट इज. प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट टू मी इफ you've liked it. I'll be very happy to send it to you. This piece is for 3995. Okay, I'll show you another beauty created specially for you. Sorry, I vanished from the screen, not nice. Anshu Garg Ashwani ji, thank you. Thank you very much. So this is a pink color. This is a pink color shirt. Please don't take it for peach, for the lightning or any other issues. I'm trying to tell you everything, describing every piece so that you have clarity. This is pink and it has, अगर आप देखेंगे, ये इस तरीके से इसके ऊपर डार्क पिंक, ग्रे और ग्रीन का बूटी बना हुआ है रेशम के धागे से. Anita ji, thank you so much for saying that. And look at the craftsmanship of the artist who made this dupatta for you. Just see how beautifully the hand embroidery has been done on the piece. Just see. And it looks amazing. It's a beautiful pink color, baby pink color suit that comes with the same pants. Same color pants. This is again for 3995 for the work that the artisans have done it or done on it, and for the fact that it's pure organic linen. My next piece is a bright and bold pink. Okay, because in my last video a lot of comments came on showing these colors. So this is what I've created. This is the zari work done on the ends. You may use it the way you want. And look at the totally hand embroidered dupatta that comes with it. Pure organic linen. There's very subtle self embroidery done with the entire resham dhaga on the shirt. This is what you're going to get, and this is complemented with this beautiful dupatta. I'll give you a side look of it. See this. ये पास से भी मैं आपको थोड़ा दिखाती हूँ. ये देखिए, इसमें कलर्स येलो, ग्रीन, डार्क पिंक के यूज हुए हैं to complement the shirt and give you the contrast that you need. इसका पैन दे दो. It comes with a contrast with this pant to complement the colors of the dupatta, because you wanted me to give you contrast as well. So this is how it is. This piece is for 3895. If you've liked it, please take the screenshot and send it to me. Thank you. 3895. John Batista ji, this piece is for 3895. Now this is a very beautiful light red color with green and yellow and grey booties, resham dhaga booties on it. We've given you zari to complete your dress on the panels, etc. Sorry, some glitch. And this is the highlight again. This is totally a hand embroidered piece, handmade and hand spun. So नहीं जॉन जी, 2.5K के नीचे नहीं होगा, सॉरी, बिकॉज ये सारा जॉब, ये समझ लीजिए, जो आर्टिस्ट ने बना के हमें दिया है वही हमने आप तक पेश किया है, आप तक पहुंचने के लिए. This is a 3995 rupee piece, and it comes with a beautiful contrast of this light green color. You will look very beautiful when you contrast it with the long shirt and just about 1.5 inches longer pants, tight ones, palazzo. You can make a palazzo if you want, but you can use this as anything that you would like, any pant, palazzo, whatever. It gives you a thinner frame and you look really nice. And this is the zari weaved border on the side. मैं आपको थोड़ा पास से दुपट्टा दिखाना चाहती हूँ. I hope you're liking the collection. Please let me know that you are. So this is, please take the screenshot and send it to me. You've told the price, na? Price batate hain. Okay, now for some people who are looking at contrast, this is a black chikankari piece done on a completely black pure linen piece, and comes with a digitally printed dupatta and the same pant. The price of this suit is 3795. It's pure organic linen, and I described you linen in the beginning of the show. It comes, you have to produce linen to be able to convert it into a textile from a flax crop plant, and then make yarns of it 20 centimeter long, and then put it into a textile. And उसके बाद ये हम हाथ का काम, डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग वगैरह उसके ऊपर कराते हैं. So you can understand the artisans and our effort based on what we are showcasing to you. This is a 3795 piece. Hope you're liking it. Now for the purple lovers, this is a purple color. There's a dark peach and green combination of booties that we've done on the piece. ये रेशम धागा का है, हाथ से बना हुआ बूटीज है. लिनन पे आपको पता होगा कि इम्प्रिंट करना बहुत मुश्किल है, सो आपको रखना, उसको हाथ से ही बनाना पड़ता है. हर चीज हाथ से बनाई जाती है. एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा that comes with it. And this is, again, if you can see, this is hand embroidered with zari work at the edge. So see this. This is the broad look of the piece. This is purple color. This is 3895, comes with the same pant. Hope you're liking it. Please take the screenshot and send it to me at 9811725543, and I would love to send it to you once I confirm availability. This is a hot pink color with white zari weaves on it. And there comes a proper printed on a darker shade, digitally printed dupatta with it. Just see the clarity of the pieces. These are the tassels, and it comes with the same color, pure Banarsi bottom. And this is the broader look of the suit. This is for 3795. Hope you're liking it, and if you're liking it, please do send me the screenshots. Thank you so much for saying that, Miss Neena. Yes, I've sent you many suits and you've appreciated the quality. So thank you very much for saying that. Now comes the baby pink color with pink thread work booties on it. ये देखिए पास से. And it comes with a beautiful digital printed dupatta, pure linen fabric, pure organic linen fabric. It's not even processed. It's not processed linen. And comes with the same color bottom. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा प्रिंट इसकी क्लैरिटी पास से दिखाना चाहती हूँ. ये आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा जब आप दुपट्टास अपने ऊपर लेंगे, शर्ट्स पहनेंगे ये वाले. You can make long shirts, you can make short shirts. I am in favor of long shirts, but it's totally, linen is a fabric which allows you to do anything. It's not stretchable, sits where you want it to. And this is for 3795. Now I'm showing you a dusty pink, a little towards grey color, dusty pink grey color. Thread work done on the entire piece. It has edges mein zari. Hi Gudiya Kocherji, thank you for joining the show. And this is the dupatta combination, fully hand embroidered, that comes with it. It looks beautiful when you carry it well and get it tailored well. Blue, green, peach and white color combination. And the pants with this, same color pants to go with this beautiful fabric. You can wear it for a party, you can wear it for the lunch. If you're going with your friends, you can wear it for brunch. And today's woman is all about being traditional and being modern. It's a blend of everything. So it's a good piece. The price for this piece is 3895. This is a 3795 rupee piece which I'm showing you. Grey color booties. Grey color booties. And total handwork done on the dupatta. Very lightly in the same color. People who don't prefer multicolors being going on the dupatta, so this is for them. And zari to finish and provide you that closure. मैं पास से दिखाती हूँ आपको. प्लीज मुझे बताते जाइए अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा लगे चाहे ना अच्छा लगे. हमारे लिए दो बातें जानना जरूरी है. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली गुड. Whatever your feedback will be. This is the way it is. This is 3795 as I told you. It comes with the same bottom. Now for yellow lovers and people who love contrast, this is for you guys. This is a yellow color piece. My number is 9811725543. It's in my description also, ma'am, and also pinned, by Abba here, and even at the back. 9811725543. So इसमें हमने लाइट ब्लू और पिंक कलर के बूटीज दिए हुए हैं. प्योर ऑर्गेनिक लिनन है ये. 3995 is the price of this suit. It comes with pink, peach and blue color combination. आप देखिए इसको. And this is the way it looks. It's pink color bottom. And it comes with a pink color bottom. The way it is done on the dupatta complement the dupatta. Can you see it now, Amita Deol Malik ji? This is the way it is. Amita ji, is it clear? One minute, I'm just trying to pin my number also. 9811725543. I'm writing my number, ma'am. I've pinned my number, ma'am, for everyone's. So this is a 3995 piece, as I told you, and they come out, they turn out to look really very beautiful. All the people who've taken linen from me have given me this feedback. So this is yet another yellow. 3795 is the price. It comes with a digitally printed dupatta here, and मैं आपको थोड़ा पास से दिखाना चाहती हूँ color combination that has been used. Hope the piece color is clear to you. It's a little bit towards mustard, but a very lively yellow, not pinching yellow. Comes with the same pant to give you a proper full look. And this is the beautiful broader look of the suit. Hope you're liking the collection. Please write to me. Send me a screenshot if you've liked it. I would love to dispatch it to you. This is the broader look. 3795 is the price of the suit. Thank you. I'll move on to the next piece of mine. Okay, this is a light green color. Linens mostly go towards lighter shades, but we do have darker shades as well. This is Resham Dhaga booty done on the complete dupatta. And I'll show you what the dupatta, this is fully hand embroidered dupatta. Just see how it looks. And दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द सूट. बीच में हमने पिंक, व्हाइट और ग्रीन बूटीज दी हैं, और ये आपको दोनों तरफ के एजेस पर, पूरे बॉर्डर्स पर आपको ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी मिलती है. मैं आपको एक साइड लुक भी दिखा देती हूँ. ये देखिए, 3895 is the price of this suit. It comes in the same color pant. I'll go a little far away for you to see. Dolly ji, thank you. Richa ji, thank you. So this is the way, and the same colored pant, bottom with it. This is for 3895. Totally handmade piece. All the pieces that I've shown you are totally handmade. So this is the way it looks. A green color piece, fully hand embroidered, and the booties done are also on the shirt are hand embroidered. I'm going to show you a fantastic grey. Booties self-colored with resham dhaga. Thank you, Amarjeet ji. Thank you for saying it's nice. Reena Shah ji, how sweet of you to say that. You've made my day. अब आप प्योर लिनन पे ये काम देखिए. This is all resham dhaga work on the dupatta, and see the edges, how beautifully they are hand embroidered. Just see. मैं आपको थोड़ा दूर से दिखाती हूँ. ये देखिए. होप आप लोगों को कलर्स और सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी और सारा वर्क अच्छे से दिख रहा है. This is the way the edges are. Thank you, Amarjeet Sohal ji, for saying that. You made my day. This is a 3895 piece. Comes with the same color bottoms. Once you have it in your hands, you'll realize what pieces are these और क्या embroidery इनके ऊपर हुई हुई है. This is something that's a wardrobe must. A linen piece is a wardrobe must, and you should have that. Amarjeet Sawal ji, oh my god, on what? A pink color, silver zari booties, very matte finish. I'm sorry. This is a digitally printed dupatta that goes with it, with the tassels, as you see. 3795 is the price. Comes with tassels all loaded, and this is the way the dupatta looks. I'll show you. I'll go far away. This is for 3795, Swati Gupta Gurwal ji. Suva Lakshmi ji, thank you for joining. Thank you. For this, Swati Gupta ji, it's 3795. It's pure linen, pure organic linen, not processed at all. And the shirt, I would give you a closer look again. This comes with silver booties. It's a pink color, slightly a notch above baby pink color, and looks beautiful with this digitally printed dupatta. Dupatta slightly darker shade, just to give you. आप देखिए इसको पास से, color combinations, slight red, slight purple, white, and a dark pink used flowers. This is the look of the suit. I'll give you a side look as well. So this is the way the tassels are on the suit. This is 3795. I hope you're liking the collection. Please share and please help us reach as many people as we can. It comes with the same color bottom, which I had to tell you. Maroon. Now, for contrast lovers, once again, this is a proper maroon piece which comes with green, slight hint of blue and grey color booties. 3895 is the price of this suit. आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. सेल्फ में जो बीच में हमने दिया है पूरा, ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece like the others, and this is totally on the full edges of the suit. Just see the look that it gives you. 3895, and the pants that come with this is a beautiful light green combination which goes absolutely with the embroidery done on this piece and gives you a beautiful, beautiful contrast. Make a pant, make a palazzo, short shirt, long shirt, it just does the trick. Just see, this is the way the hand embroidery is done on this entire piece with this pant. Hope you're liking it. I'll move on to my next. This is a pink color piece. It comes with a dark pink contrasting dupatta. 3895 is the price of this suit. ये देखिए, I'm just showing you another color of this, of the another one that I showed you. ये पूरा हाथ का काम इस सूट पे हुआ है और कॉन्ट्रास्ट में दुपट्टे के साथ जैसी आपको पैंट मिलेगी. To give you the look, a beautiful look. Just see this. I'm going far behind. I hope you're able to see the pieces closely and you're getting the colors. This is how it looks. 3895 is the price. मैं आपको एक बार साइड पे भी ये लेके दिखाती हूँ. पैंट तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया, सेम कलर है इसका. दुपट्टे के साथ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग है. लाइट पिंक इज द शर्ट, 2 shades up is the dupatta, and the same color pant of the dupatta to give you the contrasting look. Just see the way the embroidery is done on this piece. $3895 is the price of this suit. अमन रिंकू जी, कौन से सूट के लिए पूछ रहे हैं आप? इसी सूट का पूछ रहे हैं तो 3895 है. निर्मल जी, 3895 is the price of this suit. I would move on to my next piece. Okay, this is a light green color for pastel color lovers. रेशम धागा, white silver color embroidery. On this आप देखिए पास से ऐसी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. Zari work done on the end to give you closure on the shirt, whether you want it on the sides or just the borders or the arms. 3795 is the price of this suit. This is a digitally printed dupatta. This is pure organic, as I have been repeating it. It's light green pastel color. Looks very beautiful. Any skin tone, I have always been saying that, should be using the colors that they want. so they like more than they want. So this is the way. ये इसकी लुक है, ब्रॉडर लुक. ये देखिए. And pant comes in the same color. This is how the suit looks. Let me give you a side look as well. ये आप साइड पे लेके देखेंगे तो ये ऐसा लगेगा. Guys, this is, I just want to repeat, this is not cotton. This is pure linen fabric, pure organic linen fabric. जब ये आपके पास पहुंचेगा तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये किस तरीके की प्योरिटी की बात हम कर रहे हैं. देखिए, these are must have pieces in your wardrobe. 3795 is the price. This is simply a bright yellow self chikankari done on the suit, on the shirt. Comes with a digitally printed dupatta. Look at the clarity. 3795 is the price, and it comes with the black contrast pant. Kavi Suji, thank you for saying that. Thank you so much, Amanji. 3795 is the price of this suit. We'll move on to the next piece. आप इसको देखिए जरा, पीस को नीचे से. It's in double shade. This is grey with a tinge of pink color. Fully embroidered shirt. Fully embroidered shirt. Down at the edges. And this comes with a fully hand embroidered dupatta. पैंट दे दीजिए इसके साथ का. Comes with the same colored pant. And let me give you, I hope आप मेरा पूरा look देख पा रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. This is the way the shirt is complementing the dupatta colors. ये देखिए एम्ब्रॉयडरी. $3895 is the price of this suit. मैं आपको पास से थोड़ी सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी दिखाती हूँ. ये देखिए. I hope it's clearly visible. We've used pink colors. We've used green color. We've used a pink color on this. ये देखिए. Thank you, Pehchan Kwanji, for saying it's a nice collection. So this is the broader look of the suit. मैं आपको एक बार और, ये ऐसे आपके borders पे ये आएगा नीचे. And this is the dupatta with the same color pant. I don't know how much time am I left with. Okay, this is a peach color with grey and pink booties, handmade shirt. Just see this. Highlight of this piece is the fully hand embroidered dupatta. Sorry, which is I was saying, why are the pink flowers not visible? So, ऐसे इसमें ये flowers with light blue grey stems आते हैं. And it comes with a pant which is of the same color to give you a proper full look of the suit. Just see. Hi Komal Zaveri ji, this is a 3895 rupee suit. Same pants. Before I end this, I'd like to show you one pink color piece. And it comes with a green and blue hand embroidered दुपट्टा. ये आप थोड़ा पास से देखिए. और शर्ट पे ये सिल्वर जरी के बूटीज बने हुए हैं हाथ से. 3895 is the price of this suit, and these are the pants that come with it. Beautifully go with it. This is the broader look of the suit. I hope you're liking the collection. Please do send me the screenshots. I start looking at them from chronological order, and whoever. So this is the way it is going to be. 3895 is the price. So this was all in my today's collection. I have showed you pure organic linen pieces. I hope you've liked them. And just want to tell you that, so please share the video. Let's spread love and let's create job opportunities. Thank you so very much for joining my live. My number is 9811725543. It's also written behind. If you zoom it, you'll get it. Plus, I have put it in my description also. Thank you so very much for joining. And on that note, I'll thank the IBA moderators and everybody else who's created this platform for entrepreneurs like us to showcase our beautiful collection to you. Hope you just like it. Thank you. I'll see you next time very soon.